Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, everyone, and peace be upon us all. Honorable teacher and my dear friends, first of all, let us express our praise and gratitude to God of Almighty Allah Subhanahu wa Ta'ala for His blessing, grace, and guidance, so that on this meaningful session we are give help and strength together and discuss an, an issue that is very crucial for the future of Indonesia younger generation. Allah me, Allah me to introduce myself. My name is Mafira Nala Ramadhani from grade 12 Sharia Banking Service SMKN 11 Bekasi City. On this valuable concession, I stand before you to present and critical analysis in the form and editorial text. Below is the structure of thesis, argument, and reformation based on refer response text about teenage growth. Growth Growth are actions that are very harmful and should never be carried out. The the phenom- the phenomenon of sudden growth that still frequently occur in various regions. So, and failure in building the character of the younger generation. Brown not only endanger students' safety but also damage their future and create anxiety in sociality. Therefore, serious roles from school, family, and the government are needed to provide character education, information, and frame law enforcement so that the culture of violence among students can still be stopped. Growth can cause injustice and even death. This clearly and endangers the safety for of many people. Growth also create fear and discomfort for the community and around the incident area. The environment becomes unsafe and disturbing. Moreover, birds are not the right way to solve a problem. Problem solve be solved in better ways, such discussing them, finding solution together or asking for help from adults such as teachers or parents. One of the causes of growth in the influence of an unhealthy social environment. Many students become involved in growth due to peer pressure or excessive group solidarity. Then often want to show braver or defend their school reputation without considering the risk as our result small conflicts can grow into large fights that endanger many people. In addition, the lack of supervision from parents and school also trigger browse. Some students have unstructured free time, making them as easily influenced to engage in negative action. On the other hand, character education and emotional control have not been implemented optimal in student daily lives. Therefore, birds must be avoided by everyone, especially and younger generation. We should choose positive activities and resolve problems peacefully so that our future will not be damaged by harm action. Therefore, wars must be avoided by everyone, especially the younger generation who should choose positive activities and resolve my problem peacefully, so that our future will not be damaged by harmful action. Parents must also intrusion for supervision and give sufficient action attention to their children. When held, the government needs to create policies, policies and programs that can prevent violence among students. If all parties work together it is habit that the culture of growing can be recorded so that a safe and conducive edu- educationally environment can be characterized in the end. The root of growth is the failure to instill character, value, and emotional control in teenagers. School must School must be more creative in facilitating student talent and interests so that their energy can be channeled into positive things. Only by building a healthy mentality and eliminating long-standing grudge can we answer that school remains a place for learning, not battlefield for the nation future leader. That consolidates that discussion that I can deliver helpful, helpfully. This video will be useful and can scarce knowledge for those who watch and listen to it and also become listen for the future. I apologize for and start to coming. Thank you for attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.